Hello, my sewing friends. Oh my goodness, I have got so much fabric to show you. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where I buy all the fabric and bring it and then try and find yet more places to store it. So recently, July 4th, the Independence Day holiday here in the US, Joann's had a huge sale. And I don't often buy fabric there. I'm starting to buy more fabric online, but I thought I would check it out because they were also having a sale on patterns, so I bought a bunch of those. And I grabbed some deals. I really did. I think I've started to adjust my thinking in terms of what I think is a fair price for fabric. You know, I got so used to fabric being cheap when I was younger. And then, you know, when I made clothes for my kids, a lot of times I would use quilting cotton, and that stuff's like, what, $3, $4 a yard. So when I look at fashion fabric and it's $7 or $8 a yard, I just kind of go through sticker shock. But these were pretty good deals. I think average $4 or $5 a yard. I think maybe, I don't know, some of them might have been $6, some of them might have been $3. I don't remember, but I know at the time I asked her to let me know how much each one was. And the great thing was, a couple of times it was the end of the bolt, so she gave me like that last yard for half off. So I did really well. I was really pleased. Okay, so I'll start with this. This is a double brushed poly, and it was in 2 pieces on the bolt. So I just thought, you know what, just give me the whole bolt. I really like the pattern in this. And you know, of course, double brushed poly is the softest fabric known to man. So it just, it's just so pretty. I really liked all the colors, and I have ideas about what to do with this. I have some patterns in mind, so that'll be good. I have a Mercy Tilton pattern that I most recently made, and it's just the greatest thing. I get so many compliments on that dress, and so this would be perfect for that. I also found this double brushed poly. I loved the pattern. I just fell in love with just, you know, the pattern, the print. How many words can I look for to say that? Softest pattern. I mean, listen to me, softest fabric known to man. I don't know who came up with this, but boy, it feels nice. And you know, it's just knit, and it's just so pretty. So, you know, that same dress would work in this, but there are other dresses that I can think of that might work with this too. So I think I got, of the other one, I think I got 3 yards. Well, I got what was on the bolt, and it was about 3 yards. And this one, feels like a lot more, but I don't know. It's probably about the same, about 3.5 yards, something like that. This I got more double brushed poly, but this is the end of it, of the double brushed poly, not the fabric haul. But this I got because I knew it would go with some other fabrics that I have for a Mercy Tilton dress, another one. And I needed a border, and so I forget if I think I may have just gotten a yard of this one, and it was also on sale. But yeah, I think it's going to go really nicely as just a piece on the bottom of a dress that I've color blocked out. So yeah, that was that one. This was on the clearance table. On the clearance table, they have these little stickers on the ends of the bolts, and so you look at the price, and then you note what color the sticker is, and then they have a chart. And they'll say this color sticker is this % off that price. So some is 50%, some is 60%, some is 70%. Well, they had that, and then they always have that. But then they put an additional 40% off all the clearance fabrics. So you got that discount, but then you got another bit of discount on whatever you bought. So yeah, I found this, and this reminds me of that Simplicity print cotton that you can get at Joann's, and this isn't that, but it's just so cute. This is just ladies, vintage ladies riding Vespas and walking and talking and, you know, chatting and whispering. I just thought it was so cute. There isn't much here. It's maybe a little over a yard, but you know, for this kind of a print, I don't think I would need more than that. So very cute. This is a crepe de chine. I think this was a Galleria print. No? Well, maybe originally it was. That's one of their collections. But I saw this part of it, this color, and I loved it. And I thought, that's so pretty. I got all that was on the bolt. I think it was not quite 2 yards, I think, or right around there. And then this is the right side. I fell in love with the wrong side, but you can tell, you know, obviously the right side is much more vibrant, but you know, it's just a woven crepe, woven poly. So, you know, wonderful drape. You know how woven polyester is. It's just so gorgeous. Moves beautifully, and I love that color. Then I found some linen. I was kind of on the lookout for linen. I thought, I need to get into this linen thing. So I found this. This was on sale. It was not clearance, but I thought, you know, I have another, I think it's another Marcy Tilton Vogue pattern that lends itself to color blocking. You know what? Her patterns lend themselves to that. So, you know. So this is a nice, beautiful linen. It's an awning stripe, and I liked it a lot. And for what was there, I liked it better than anything else I saw. So I think that this has a lot of potential, and it feels so nice, you know, because it's linen. I think it's going to be the, you know, have that problem that linen has where, you know, you scrunch it up and it wrinkles, but whatever, wash it, wear it as washed linen. It'll be fine. So I got, how much of that? A couple of yards, I think. Like, I don't know. Let's see. This, I thought would match that. And this is obviously a check, but it's a printed check. It's not a woven check. So yeah, actually it goes really nicely with this. So if I wanted to do something with color blocking, so I don't know. And then I got this just cream color. I think this was the end of the bolt, but I got this to go with these. But I also thought, you know, cream colored linen is so classic. I just thought, oh, I have a vintage Vogue pattern. I don't know who the designer is, but I thought, oh, this would be beautiful in that pattern. You know, just, oh, so beautiful. I think that dress is cut on a bias, and that's why I haven't made it yet, because I haven't had anything, enough fabric to be able to do it. That, let's see, I grabbed this one. Now, you know, my daughter looked at this and she goes, oh my gosh, it looks like a tablecloth. She's probably right. There's a lot of this one, but this is, I believe this is either tencel or modal. It feels like viscose, like rayon. And she goes, oh, it looks like a tablecloth. And I thought, okay, yeah, probably. But the lady who was cutting it said, oh, this would make such a cute shirt dress. And she's right, it would. And I have one of the greatest shirt dress patterns ever made. It's by McCall's, and a few years ago it was just having a moment. So yeah, I thought this would be perfect for that. And I don't know if I'll use it for that, but it's not gonna be a tablecloth, I can tell you that. And there, I think are like 5 yards. This was clearance, so. And then when I got that, I saw this and I went back and got this. This was in 2 pieces on the boat, but it's just a gray, kind of a big buffalo check. And I just thought it was really pretty. And actually it reads gray when I'm looking at it, but I think, you know, depending on what you put with it, it could read like a violet blue or a slate blue. So yeah, it's really pretty. The thing I love about it is the drape. Just that drape is so gorgeous with that just not natural fiber. And then the last one is more of that same fabric, but just in a plain cream. So I don't, what is it about a solid cream colored, white colored dress? It's just, oh, so beautiful. Now this is a little bit sheer, so it would need to be lined, but so pretty, so pretty. So that is all my fabric from my most recent Joann's haul, or any fabric at all that I've bought in general. I'm very happy with all the deals I got, and so yeah. If you hit that Joann sale, let me know. If you're here in the US and you got some deals, let me know. I'd love to know what you got. If you got any of these, let me know that. And as always, I am all about creating community on YouTube. I love that. And so I always enjoy talking with you in comments, which is why I ask you all these questions. So I'm always also more than happy to invite more people into my sewing room when I do all these things. So yeah, if you'd like to join in with that, be sure and subscribe and hit the bell and the thumbs up, because that's always a good thing. And I think that's it for now for me. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.